welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share some skincare products for my daughter that I use on daily basis. These products I actually use on day-to-day basis ever since she was a baby. But if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Roshni. I make motherhood, lifestyle, mommy and baby related videos. So make sure you check out all the other videos that I did in the past and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mommyverse and hit the bell icon for future updates. With that, let's get on to the video. So her skincare routine is a very simple skincare routine, but before I share the products with you all, I just want to provide some pointers to first time moms. So the first point is try to use naturally available products, for example, chickpea flour with some milk. Apply that on your baby's skin. Second thing is, whenever you try to choose a product, do a patch test before you actually use it on the baby. So make sure you take a small amount and do a patch test on the hand just to rule out the allergic reactions to a particular product. Third thing would be, don't try to change products very frequently. So if you got a particular product, give it a good testing time. Minimum 7 days of testing time is a good time to know whether the particular product is working on. Also, fourth point would be that if your baby has any skin condition like eczema or dry skin or scaly skin or anything related to the skin, you can always ask your pediatrician. They will recommend you the apt product for your baby's condition. So please consider that and keep these pointers in mind before you start switching up all the products. So let's move on to my list of products. The first thing I see here is this shampoo plus body wash. Now I'm a big fan of Baby Granix products. I actually have their shampoo, body wash, daily lotion, their sunscreen. I'm going to talk all about this further. Let's talk about the shampoo and body wash first. So I have been using this body wash ever since my daughter was a baby. I've been very loyal to the brand. I actually love this product. My baby has kind of a dry skin, so this product is very gentle on her skin. It didn't dry her skin out. Second thing, this product is free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum dyes and fragrances. It is non-allergenic and tear-free. The good thing is it's foaming one, so you don't have to lather this up. You can just pump it on your hand and directly apply on your baby's skin. It has plant-derived ingredients, so it's quite natural. As far as picking up the body wash goes, I actually didn't mindfully pick this one up. I had two more options. I had this one and then I had the Cetaphil shampoo body wash as well, and I also had the Johnson's one. I didn't use Johnson's at all, but I gave Cetaphil and this one try, and both of them actually worked for her. Now one more important thing is, all the products of Baby Granix are fragrance free, which is also a plus. The good thing about this product is that it has shampoo and body wash in one, so you don't have to carry like two separate bottles for it. As far as the con goes, I don't see anything in this product because it actually worked for my daughter's dry skin. But definitely in the future, as recommended by dietitian, there are brands like Aveeno, Mistela, Cetaphil. I know Cetaphil already suits her, so I would give that a try, but as of now I have not switched it to anything else. Moving on, we have the Daily Moisturizer Lotion. Again, this is fragrance free, formulated with shea butter and cocoa butter, without parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum dyes and fragrances. This moisturizer really worked for her. I apply it after her bath in the morning and it keeps her skin moisturized all day. Some days I need to reapply. It depends on the weather. If the weather is a little dry, I need to reapply this body lotion on her. Otherwise it's great and it has been working great. Little goes a long way. I can show you how this looks. So you can see this is like a cream like this and it applies really nicely. It looks like this. I love the fact that it has a pump so that it's easy to apply, and you know, when you have a wobbly child, if you have a bottle like this, it can create a mess around everywhere. So yeah, it's very easy. Now this is what I use for her during the daytime, but for the night time I prefer using this Aveeno Eczema Therapy balm. So this is a thick Vaseline type balm which gives her skin a good amount of moisturization during the night. So after a bath in the night, I just apply this all over her body. It's specially made for dry skin, so it leaves her skin moisturized till the morning. The good thing is this formula is steroid free, paraben free, fragrance free, which is also suitable for everyday use. I wish it had a pump, so you know, it was again easy to just take on the product and apply. This becomes messy at times, and I can show you how this balm looks like. This is a balm. It's quite thick and yeah, it has a Vaseline kind of a feel to it. Up next is the sunscreen. This is SPF 50 and it is water resistant, formulated with zinc oxide, which I'm going to talk about further. Again, no parabens, no fragrances. Best thing about this is it's tear free. You can use it for face and body. Now my daughter doesn't leave the house much, but whenever she does, we make sure that we put sunscreen on her, even when she's out for strolls and walk. Now one more important point is I found that this is one of the sunscreen which has the main ingredient as zinc oxide. So that actually attracted me, and I actually searched about it, what exactly that is, and I got to know that zinc oxide is one of the main ingredients of this products, which is the ingredient used in the cream for diaper rashes. So it is really safe to use on your baby. So I've noticed that this doesn't get into my daughter's eyes or irritates her skin. I already did her patch test before using on the product. Please do a patch test before you use any product because it can differ from children to children. Also talk to your pediatrician if you're thinking of recommendations of different products. The only thing is that it leaves kind of a white cast on her, but I am totally fine with that. If you are not fine with it, you can always opt for some other product, but otherwise this product is really good. Now next product that I use for her is a body oil. I use this almond oil for massaging her body. As we all know that almond oil is rich in vitamin E and it nourishes hair and body. I prefer this applying to her before her bath. Got this from my nearby Indian store. This is a KTC Pure Almond Oil, but you can use any almond oil out there in India. You can of different almond oil on Amazon as well. This was recommended to me by my friend Rupali. So shout out to you, Rupali, if you're watching this video, and thanks for recommending this to me. This actually worked for my daughter and I have not changed it to anything else. The only con I feel is this glass bottle, which is really heavy. I would have preferred a pump here because then it's very easy to apply. Other than that, the product is really nice and I loved it. I did transfer this to plastic bottle with a pump. It made my life easier. I also used this Himalaya Nourishing Baby Oil. This is also free from mineral oil, lanolin and synthetic colors. When I was on my trip to India in the month of February, I tried their shampoo, their baby powder and the oil. This also worked for my daughter. I really like this brand. Himalaya products are really nice and I really recommend to people living in India. So yeah, there you have it. I'll put all the product links on the description box below, so do check that out. With that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.